Hello, I told you guys that Nigerian government does not have any case against Maxi Nnamdi Kanu. You see, how can you go to Kenya and kidnap a man who has been fighting, who is fighting as well to liberate his people from bondage? His people are highly marginalized, and he came out trying to liberate his people, and they just went on him and kidnapped him, and you want to bring him to try him. No one can try him in Nigeria based on this case. This case is as useless as tissue paper. And there is no lawyer, no one who has gone to school to study law and came out with flying colors who will accept to try this case, because there is no case. You understand? It has no case. The federal government has no case in this case. Let me tell you one thing. You see, the money federal government has spent from 2021 till today, bringing Nnamdi Kanu to court, taking him back, and even kidnapping him, from that 2021 till this very moment, can fix constant electricity for 10 states, if not more, in Nigeria, with constant electricity. Quote me, the money they have spent since 2021 can give more than 10 states constant electricity, probably solar energy, constant electricity for more than 10 states. You understand? The essence of doing business is to make profit. In this case, they have nothing to profit. They just prefer to waste money. And this money is not their money. It's still gotten from Biafran land, from oil and gas, from Biafra. I'm not speaking because I'm an Igbo man. The essence of doing business is to make profit. And if there is no profit when business is transacted, then there is no business. This is what it looks like. The case is like tissue paper. It's as worse as tissue paper. This is what has happened. Today is the second day. They said they are continuing for the trial, or some people are coming to attest, to give witness. We haven't heard, seriously, we haven't heard much from them, because all ears are on ground to hear and to listen what they're going to say, because they don't have any case. We are Igbos. We are very well learned, and we know our rights. The Janjaweed is just buying time. The Fulanis are buying time to continue in their conquest. But their conquest will never prevail in Igbo land. We will never. Nobody can conquer us. It's never possible. Even the Britain themselves, they saw us when they came, and they saw that we are hard not to crack. Not to talk of Fulani. Fulani never fight any war. Yoruba never fight any war. We have fought war for 3 years. And who is afraid of Fulanis? The people are not afraid of Fulanis. The only thing is that they have captured the army. They are using army to intimidate people. They use other institutions to intimidate people. Nobody is afraid of Fulani. Who is going to be afraid of Fulani? You understand what I'm saying? So we are ready for anything they want. But one thing is that no tribe plus UK and America can never conquer us. It is not possible. They can try. If we catch you in our land, we will do you whatever we like. Nothing can happen. Do you get the point? The case is as useless as tissue paper, and there is no business. There is no case. That is it. Let us wait to hear what they're going to say. But watch, this is Maxi Nnamdi Kanu. Great man, the greatest of the greatest. Yes, he is.